How to turn on or off groups in Android Auto. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off groups in Android Auto on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now you have the last option, which is groups in Android Auto. You can turn off or on this option wherever you want. For example, I'm gonna turn on this option and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.